Listen to this story. After spending 36 days in the ICU battling COVID-19, a Jeffersonville man gives a big thank you to the healthcare workers who saved his life.
Marcus Daniels was one of the first patients in the ICU at Baptist Health Floyd. WLKY Shaquille Lloyd has his story and his message to others.
2 years later, after fighting a roller coaster of a battle with COVID-19 right here at Baptist Health Floyd, Marcus Daniels wanted to come in to thank the healthcare workers and nurses who was by his side.
Walking through the ICU unit, 66-year-old Marcus Daniels says he's blessed.
It's great. It's glorious. It's almost like it's a hallelujah moment. Basically, it's that.
Blessed to be alive and blessed to be able to say thank you.
And then all of a sudden, you guys, I'm like, yeah, you know.
2 years ago, at the start of the pandemic, he was fighting for his life in one of these rooms for 36 days. The staff of nurses and healthcare workers were by his side through it all.
These last 2 years have been really hard. We've worked really hard on these patients, and to see that come full circle and to see him walk in here today felt really good.
Daniels says there were high and low days as his wife battled COVID-19 as well for a short period of time. He tells us despite seeing people die from the virus, his faith never wavered.
All I can say is, based on the fact of being here, it's almost like I pay it forward in his way.
It's why he brought pictures and treats to the staff at Baptist Health Floyd to say thank you. Nurse Emma Rosner says he's not the only former patient to come back and put a smile on their faces.
Out of a handful of the last couple of months, we've seen a couple of survivors come back and visit us, and it really it keeps you going.
And while Daniels is all smiles right now, the road to full recovery still has its twists and turns.
You still have some kind of post-COVID reactions. I still have the ringing in the ears, not as bad as my wife does. You still have the shortness of breath.
It's why he wants to share one message to the community through his story of survival.
People right now need to know, because there are people out there that still do not believe that COVID is real.
Shaquille Lloyd, WLKY News.
Thank you, Shaq. And Daniel says he plans to visit the nurses again at some point in the future.